guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Sogoodhair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. So the wig that I'll be working with today is an 18-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig. When I opened up my package, of course I received my wig, but I also received a headscarf, a wig cap, 4 extra wig combs, a tweezer, an elastic band, bobby pins, and an eyebrow brush comb duo. The wig comes with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band that is both adjustable and removable. If you are unfamiliar with HD lace, it is the thinnest lace on the market, and that's perfect for melting your hairlines. So in order to get the most natural looking hairline, I'm going to bleach the knots first, and I did do that off camera. Next, I'm just going to get rid of some of that extra density from the hairline, although you do not have to do any of this because the hairline already looks pretty natural already, but I do like to take the extra step to do the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. Now that I'm completely satisfied with the hairline of the closure, it is time to tint the lace. So as you can see, the HD lace is transparent, and it's important for you to make it a perfect match for your skin complexion. So I'll be spraying 2 different colors of lace tints on the closure to make it a perfect match for me. So along the hairline, I'm going to spray the color of my foundation there so that it could be a perfect match for my foundation. And along where my scalp would be, I'm going to spray a lighter color. I do 2 layers of both of the lace tints, and I blow dry in between each layer. So the bottom is the transparent lace. The darker part is my foundation color where my hairline is. And then beyond that is lighter, and that's the scalp of the wig. So today with this beautiful wig, I will be flat ironing it. I'm going to grab BioSilk's Silk Therapy oil, and I will be applying that to the hair. I like this oil because it doesn't give a greasy feel to the hair. It's very lightweight, and it gives the hair a very beautiful, healthy looking shine. I'm going to grab small sections of hair, and I will begin to flat iron through each section. Okay, so we will be applying this wig without any glue tape gel or anything at all. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut off that extra lace. I'll be grabbing my razor blade and carefully and very light-handedly going along the hairline of it. Grabbing a little bit of baby hairs from the left and right sides of this wig, I'm grabbing my razor blade and just cutting it shorter. Using some edge control, I'm just going to get that baby hair out of the way. So when I put it on my head, the baby hairs will already be in place. Grabbing this wig, I am just going to position it to where I want the parting space to be. And then I am just going to line up the combs. As you can see, with an HD lace wig, it literally melts into your hairline. I do not have on a wig cap, and wearing a wig cap would probably be a better match for this wig because the scalp area would look a lot more natural. My hair is black underneath and you are able to see my cornrows a little bit through the lace because it's so thin. So yes, keep that in mind. If you are wearing a HD lace wig, make sure you wear a wig cap underneath. I'm obsessed with this wig. I love how flawless the wig is, and for me not to have any glue tape or gel or anything on this wig, I think it looks so good. And yes, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, promo codes, and direct links to Sogoodhair down below in the description box. If you have never tried an HD lace wig, I definitely feel like you should invest your money and get one because they are literally a game changer. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell for my channel. Also, comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige. Yeah, that's right. It's beige.